Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up V2Ray Proxy on Ubuntu 22.04. First, on your remote Ubuntu server, run the following command to install dependency packages. Next, download the official V2Ray install script. Continue to run the install script. If it's not running, then restart it. Next, enable auto start at system boot time and check the status. It's very important that your server has accurate time, or V2Ray can fail. This is to ensure the best security for users. Check the time on your server. As you can see, my server system clock is synchronized. Now, edit the V2Ray configuration file with a command line text editor. Delete everything in this file, then add the following lines. Replace the ID with some random characters in UUID format. You can use an online UUID generator. Save and close the file. V2Ray server will listen on port 10,000. Then, restart V2Ray for the changes to take effect. Continue to check listening ports. Now, install the nginx web server. Next, create a virtual host file for V2Ray. Add the following lines to this file. Replace with your own domain name. You can also use a subdomain. Save and close the file. Then, test the nginx configuration. If the test is successful, reload the nginx. We enable HTTPS so that your national firewall doesn't know you are using a proxy. Install the latest version of the Let's Encrypt client certbot from the Snap Store. Next, download the Let's Encrypt SSL for your domain. Then, generate the dhparam using the following command. If you are using the UFW firewall, then run the following commands. In this case, we will install and configure it on Windows. Windows users can download the V2Ray client from its GitHub release page. Click the Show All Assets link, then you can find the V2Ray Windows zip file. Unzip the file. You will find a config.json file. Use Notepad or your favorite text editor to open this file. Delete everything in this file, then add the following lines. The id parameter on the V2Ray client must match the id parameter on the V2Ray server. It's like a pre-shared password. Replace with your actual server IP address. Save and close the file. Then, Open Windows PowerShell and run the following command to start V2Ray, assuming the V2Ray Windows 64 folder is extracted to your Downloads folder. That's it. We hope this tutorial helped you install V2Ray Proxy on Ubuntu.